Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing, my name is Sofa Mauladina. I am currently in the second semester of the Information Study Program at Saputo University. Here I will present a scientific paper entitled Information System Concept, which was prepared in order to fulfill an assignment for a business English course with accompanying lecturer Lina Herlina, SPD, MPD. Just go straight to the discussion of the material by giving thanks to the presence of God Almighty, who has given strength and guidance so that the author can compile the scientific paper as well as possible. Entitled Concept of Information System, compiled in order to fulfill one of the assignments of the Business English course being taught by Mrs. Lina Herlina, SPD, MPD. The purpose of reading this scientific paper is to add insight into the concept of information system. Before that, the author would like to thank those who have helped the author in the preparation of this scientific paper so that it is complete. The author realizes that this scientific reading is still far from being perfect. Therefore, the author hopes for constructive criticism and suggestions so that this scientific reading is much better. And hopefully, this scientific reading can provide more useful insight for readers. Data and information are different, but the concepts are related. Data is the raw material of the resulting information. Formal information distinguished from informal information is the result of the legitimacy of an information system. A system is a collection of objects and the relationship between these objects arranged for a common purpose. An information system can be the idea of a series of files created stating a structure or design, research, and the reason or demand for this structure. The development or modification of an information system is often termed a project. Project can be viewed as a life cycle, which in the case of information system can be divided into four phases: keyword, data, information, and system. The first chapter is the introduction. There is a background. In the current era of globalization, the development of science and technology feels very rapid, thus offering a lot of conveniences in carrying out its activities, but in the form of light work in the houses and complex work in the industrial or company work. So that in the end it seems as if we are spoiled by the technology. Computer-based information systems have now become a primary concern for meeting information needs. Many fields have used computer-based information systems as a means to facilitate work. Ranging from business people to academic use computer as a tool to make work easier. Every information system will have problems regardless of how well the system is designed. Some of the things that cause information systems to have problems are time, over time, changes environment, and change in operational procedure in taking steps to anticipate and reduce and deal with problems regarding information system. It is better for us to get to know the basic concept in information system. Therefore, I try to explain in this paper about the basic concept of information system. Formulation of the problem. 1. How is the basic concept of information? 2. What are the basic concepts of information system? And 3. What is the relationship between information system and organization? Problem objective. 1. Know the basic concept of the information. 2. Know the basic concept of information system. And 3. Knowing the relationship between information system and organization. The benefits of reading: 1. So that reader know the difference between information and information system. 2. So that the reader know what components are in the information system. And 3. So that reader know the relationship between information system and organization or companies. In the second chapter, there is a discussion of the definition of information system and information system. Information is very common, and we often hear what people say, such as the information is complete. No information. Information is quite accurate. And other information system is a system that provides information for management in making decisions and also for carrying out company operation, where the system is a combination of people, information technology, and organized procedure. There have been many experts who define an information system, including according to 1. Kelly and 2. Carlos Coronel and Stephen Morris. According to Kelly 2011, 10. Information is that has been processed into from the meaningful to the decision and is useful in current or future decision making. This definition is the definition of information in the use of information system. Meanwhile, according to Carlos Coronel and Stephen Morris, 2016, 4. Information is the result of raw data that has been processed to provide result in it. From the above opinion, it can be concluded the information is the result of raw data that has been processed so that it has meaning. B. The system comes from the Latin systema and Greek systema, which meant a unit consisting of components or elements that are linked together to facilitate the flow of information, material, or energy to achieve a goal. This term is often used to describe an interacting entity. A number of experts contribute their thought regarding the understanding of the system, such as Subtari 2012. A system is a collection or set of elements, components, or variables that are organized, interact with each other, are interdependent and integrated. Vatiansa 2015. The system is an ordered integrity consisting of a number of functional components with unit of function and specific tasks that are interconnected and jointly aim to fulfill a certain process. C. An information system is a combination of information technology and the activities of the people who use it to support operation and management. The component of this information system consists of hardware, software, telecommunication, database, and data warehouse, as well as human research and procedures. Information system is a term related to managerial or management system. This information system is combination of four procedures: information individual and information technology. Information systems are developing rapidly due to the influence of the internet. The reason is the internet can provide, store, and provide access to information that makes it easier for the community. The third chapter is about method and material. Basic concept of information system. A. An information system is a system within an organization that meets the need of managing daily transactions, support operation is managerial, and strategic activities of an organization and provide certain external parties with the required effort. B. Information system concept. The information system consists of components known as building blocks, namely 1. Block input. Input represents the data that goes into the information system. Input here include the method and media used to capture the data to be entered, which can be in the form of basic documents. 2. Block model. This block consists of a combination of procedure, logic, and mathematical method that will manipulate the input data and data stored in the database in a certain way to produce the desired output. 3. Output block. The product of the information system is the output, which is quality information and useful documentation for all levels of management and all system users. 4. Technology block. Technology is used to receive input, run model, store and access data, generate and transmit output, and consists in overall self-control. Technology consists of the main elements: technical or humanware or brainware, software, hardware. 5. Database block is a collection of data that are interconnected with one another, stored in computer hardware and used by software to manipulate it. 6. Control blocks. Many factors can damage system information such as natural disasters, fire, high temperature, air, dust, fraud, system irregularities, inefficiency, error, sabotage, and so on. Several controls need to be designed and implementation ensure that things that can damage the system can be prevented, or if something goes wrong, it can be immediately solved. Then in the fourth chapter, namely the result, relationship between information system and organization. Organization in a technical perspective can be interpreted as a social structure originating from the environment where the source is then processed so as to produce the desired output. The organization processes input from the environment, which are the main production factor into products and service through the production process. The resulting output is then in the form of product and service consumed by the environment so as to provide additional capital and laborers input to be processed. An information system is a combination of raw procedure, information, people, and information technology that is organized to achieve goals in an organization. The information system can also be interpreted as a framework that coordinates human research to convert input into output in the form of information in order to achieve the goal desired by the organization. Based on this definition, to build a good information system, good organization is needed. And an organization that has a specific goal, good information system support is also needed. Loudon, in his book Managing the Digital Frame, stated that an information system is a unit of interconnected components to collect, process, store, and distribute information to support decision making and control within an organization. The relationship of interdependence between organization and information system. The organization and business strategy, rules, and procedure in an organization are strongly influenced by the information system used by the organization and vice versa. Changes that occur in the business strategy, work rules, and procedures that have been established by the organization must be able to be followed by changes in the software, hardware, database, and telecommunication that support an information system. Information system in an organization can also be used as a limitation on the organization because what is desired by the organization is very dependent on the information system that is run in it. The fifth chapter is closing. That is the conclusion of the material that I have conveyed earlier. Information is very useful for humans because it can help their daily work, and information technology will help humans to get a lot of information. Even so, every user of information technology must use it properly and not harm anyone. A good information can be generated by a good information system anyway. The development of information system is useful for improving the quality of the information produced. By developing an information system, it can correct error or problem in the information system and can save costs for company or organization. Finally, here are some references that I used to complete this scientific paper. There are 10 references that I took to fulfill the scientific paper that I made. Maybe there's enough discussion of the presentation of the scientific paper. Sorry if there are many shortcomings because I'm still at the learning stage. That is all and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.